Here's what I got at the grocery store for weekly grocery shopping. So I got a wholesome bread. I normally buy the other one. It's the red bag one, but not this brand. I don't remember the brand. 1 dozen eggs, 2 donuts, a pack of sugar, 1 big vanilla Lasco, 2 coconut milk, 3 wheat biscuits, 1 small pack of wipes, 1 Cal's vinegar, 3 of these. I love these. About 5 pounds of rice, 2 pounds of cornmeal, 1 pack of water crackers, a small pack of peas, 1 pack of oats, 1 Grace cock soup, 1 baked bean, a bun, 1 tin mackerel because I have tin mackerel already, this tea bag, 1 pack of clothespin, a paper towel, 1 pack of curls. I got a small bottle of Suavitel, a PAL all-purpose cleaner, bottle of Ajax bleach, 1 Malta. I got a case of Dove tissue, a case of sweet water. I got a 2 pound bag. I like to have this to put over my rice and whatever else. And I got a pack of freshness. I usually buy the 1 kg, not 1 kg, the 4 kg in this. This is Sunfresh, sorry. I normally buy the 4 kg or so in the freshness or this one. Yeah, but I bought the smaller pack. I bought a pack of fish in another supermarket, silver fries, $5.58 for it, and I got 3. And then for market stuff, I just got a garlic pack of whatever, 5 heads of garlic, half pound of onion. The guy said it's for $100, so I bought it. It's Kevin on time. Alright guys, so this is days later. So the bill was $7,935. This does not include the tissue, so the tissue is not included in this bill. I bought the tissue at another supermarket because I know it's normally cheaper at that supermarket. I paid around $2,500 something for it. At the one that I purchased these stuff, it would have been maybe $2,700 something or $2,800 something, so I saved a few dollars there. Also the fish, I purchased it at another supermarket as well, so that's not included on this receipt. And there was a single Protex soap, 1 Protex soap in the clear bag that I got that had the bleach and the Suavitel and other stuff. So yeah, and of course the onion and stuff like that weren't included on this because I purchased those at the roadside. So yeah. Also guys, I forgot, also the soap powder wasn't included in this bill. I bought it at the other supermarket, but it was after I cashed the most of the stuff, all of the stuff. So the soap powder was for around $500 and something. Yeah, I think that's it. I can't remember no more now. It's at Shop on Friday and this is Monday. I think that was it. Let me know if you like these kind of videos. I like them. I like to watch them. I used to love doing them. I think I still do. I used to do them on my YouTube channel, but I haven't posted on there in a while. Hopefully I'll resume soon. So yeah, like and save the video, and of course follow me for more of this content as I'll try to do more. And let me know if you'd pay more money for these at your supermarket. Of course this is the country area, so maybe it's a bit cheaper, maybe not, because you know things are expensive everywhere now. Do you think it was worth it and stuff like that? Do you shop weekly? Do you shop monthly? As I said, this was a weekly grocery shopping. So yeah, let me know, share your thoughts in the comments. Bye.